Hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and I'm back out with another video. Now I first just want to say welcome to all the lovely new subscribers. I've had well over 1,000 in the last couple of days, so that is brilliant. So welcome to the new subscribers. As you know, I am moving home. It's going to be a few weeks yet. Apparently the house is not ready, so it's a nightmare because I've packed and probably 90% of me craft stuff, so I'm just trying to kind of shuffle around with what I've left out, which is not a lot. So which leads us on to what the video is about. Lately I've become obsessed with printable like crafts, you know, printable papers and embellishments and things, and I've never been a one for that. If you know me, you know I'm not really into it, but I discovered well, not discovered, but I've been going on Etsy and purchasing you know, printable files, and they're not expensive, just a couple of pounds, and oh my god, I am just amazed at the quality. Now I'm going to show you what I made with these. Now can you believe that all this is printed? Because I certainly can't. So I've made these beautiful little clocks. The only thing that's not printed is the craft card behind them, but everything else, the flowers, the little words, the clocks, the paper, it's all printed. And there's another one that I did. I mean, they are absolutely beautiful. And that one, which the clocks are really big, so I couldn't fit a bag topper on because I'm also limited for bags. I've packed most of the bags, but everything you see is printed and fussy cut or cut with dies, which I cut a lot of the clock faces with dies. Isn't that, I mean, aren't they just absolutely beautiful? And I think the great thing is, if you're a new crafter or maybe you don't have a lot of supplies, you don't need them, just a printer. So this is a favourite one of mine at the minute that I've been using to make them. And the beautiful clocks here that I've been just raiding me dies, what I've got out left, and just seeing what I can do with them. And I think with obviously being packed, this is great to be able to still craft. So I'll put the link for the shop because a lot of it is from the same shop, which is my PORCH prints, and oh my god, she has got the most amazing stuff on her Etsy shop. Honestly, you've got to go on and see. Now these ones are not from that shop, they're from a different one, but look at that, that is beautiful again. And I'm just amazed, I'm totally addicted. You just can't believe that these are printed. Look at those, they are absolutely gorgeous. And I mean, I use the photo gallery to print, so I can print in a full sheet, or I can print half a sheet, a quarter of a sheet, whatever I want. I mean, look at that, isn't that absolutely beautiful? As I said, I will put the links to the shops that I'm using, and also it really does make a difference what paper you print on. Now I'm sure I've shared mine before, but I'm going to share it again because the paper that I use, the quality is absolutely beautiful. And I'll just quickly grab it. So this is what I use, colour copy. This is 200, but I've also got 250 GSM, which is beautiful because it's a little bit thicker, it's a little bit more expensive, but this paper is amazing to print your digital stuff on. And as I said, they are absolutely gorgeous, and even if I was gifted them, I would have no idea that they were printed at all. Absolutely beautiful. So I thought we would quickly just make one. So I've got the paper that I cut. Now the bag topper I've made myself from that paper. I just used a die to cut it out. I folded it in half, and then I just took another little die and I just cut a little, like a little handle in the middle. I've got the little clock. I've got two of the clock faces, or maybe 3 actually, and I just cut, as I said, again some little dies to just stack them up, and then I cut some of the littler ones. Now the only die I had has left quite a lot of a white rim around, so I'm going to probably ink them, but they look really good inked as well. So I've got some vintage photo, and if you just ink around, it just again makes it just look so much more, like brings it to life more. Doesn't that look so much better? But yeah, I have never been into digital crafts really. I don't know, it's just never been my thing. In the very early days when I first started crafting, I did used to print out a lot and cut out a lot, because obviously I didn't have supplies. But then once I started discovering paper pads and you know, all of that stuff, I kind of thought, it's not really my thing. And for a long time I've never been into it. I have used a few papers here and there, but since I have discovered all these beautiful things on Etsy, I am completely hooked on it. Completely hooked. So I'm just going to use foam pads to prop them up. I managed to open a box and grab some out. I printed and just fussy cut them, but if you've got a scan and cut or something, it would be a breeze. But even if you haven't and you love fussy cutting like me, you can just sit and cut them out. So we've got that there, and I've just been putting a cute little flower behind them. And these are stunning, they really are. And then if you could get little gems out, and you could put ribbon, all sorts of things. There's one. And then the last 2, I'm going to just do the same thing. Just absolutely stunning. I'm in love with this, I'm addicted. Well, not as addicted as me laminating. And I can't wait till I move. I have got something else to show you. Oh my god. I just wish it was done and dusted with. But as I said, I heard the other day it's going to be about 3 weeks, so I'm rather gutted at that. But there's not a lot I can do, and I've lost me other little flowers. That one. Oh, I had some really cute little ones and I can't find them. Never mind. Oh, oh, here we are. These little cute ones here that again I printed off. And I love fussy cutting. I could sit and do it for hours. Well, I have been actually on a night. I've just been, you know, sitting in front of the TV and just cutting these out, and I'll show you like what I've cut out. I have cut tons of them. They're so cute. I love these, absolutely love them. And then the last one, and then we'll package it up. Gorgeous. That one there. I don't know if you can hear my belly rumbling. I'm starving. I haven't even had anything to eat. It's been a totally chaotic morning. Right, so I've got 3 of them. And these folders I made, little envelopes I made the other day, are just amazing to keep your little ephemera and die cuts in. so I am on making a whole batch of them because I've kind of going to be doing this storage system for them. When I get moved, I'll do a video. So I'm going to ink around the paper as well. Looks so much better inked. And then my little clock toppers, I might not even fit them all on. Probably gone a bit overboard with the flowers. I've only got a 6x6 bag as well because my other ones are packed away, so might get away with it. Oh yeah, we will, I think. I don't think we'll get a topper on though. I've just been using this little removable sticky tape thing to put them on because they won't rip when the person peels them off. I just wish I had more of my supplies out because I can only really use what I've got handy, which isn't a lot. Yeah, that flower's not gonna go in there. Let's try it here. Oh, we'll go. Yeah, we need a bigger bag, which I don't have, but aren't they beautiful? And then the topper, obviously we need a bigger bag. We would put our little topper on, okay, like so, which, as I said, I made that myself. And then like I've done with these, you can just decorate them with your little flowers, and then they have these gorgeous little tickets and sentiments which I printed off. They have the word, but then they have the meaning, so it's like a little dictionary thing. So thankful, expressing gratitude. Honestly, there's a whole sheet of them, and you just cut them out and then you can ink around them. And I put one on there which was creative, having good imagination or original ideas. Just go on and see, because I am amazed at what this lady has on her shop, and the quality of the prints is completely blown me away. So yeah, I wanted to share it with you. So I'll have all the links under the video. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.